Hello friends, welcome again to this channel. So there are types of short circuit fault according to phases. We are dealing here with a three-phase system. We name it as line A, B, or C. Okay, so this is a typical three-phase system. We have here phase AB, phase BC, and phase AC, giving us three phases. Okay, so just a while ago you have already heard an explanation on a single phase. Now we are dealing here with a three-phase system. To have these types of short circuit fault, the first one is what we call the ground fault, the single phase ground fault. So you'll see here that this line C is connected to the ground. So it means that the current will be flowing from this line to the ground. This line, the current will be flowing here. Okay, all of the current, we call this as default current. And the current here in line A and B is 0. But it is not only line C. Suppose line C is not connected to the ground, we can also have B as the one that is connected to the ground. It means that line V or only line B is connected to the ground, and it is also considered as a single phase ground fault. So not only line B but also line A and B and C are not connected. So this actually occurs 60 to 75% they happen to the system. This is the most common short circuit types that is happening in a system. Again, this is occurring when only one line is in contact with the ground. So the other one is the two-phase fault. So you'll see here that there is two lines that are connected, line A, and line C, and line B is not connected. Okay, so what will happen, the current line A will flow here. Okay, and also the current at line C will flow here. Okay, so we can name this as IA, and this one the current IC. Two-phase fault, or we call this as line-to-line fault. It is occurring when two lines are in contact. So not only A and C, but it can be A and B, or it can be B and C. Okay, by the way, this type of fault, it occurs from 5 to 15%. The other one is what we call the two-phase to ground. So there are two lines here. We have here line A and line C, and these are connected line to line. This line is connected to the ground. So this is actually line to ground, or two-phase to ground faults, and line B is not connecting. Okay, current will be flowing here. This can be our IA, and current here also, A sub C. Now will be our fault current here. The fault current here is actually, you'll notice that it will be the current of line A and added to the current of line C. Current B is 0. And not only A and C, it can be B and C and it is connected to the ground, or A and B and it is connected to the ground. By the way, this is occurring when two lines again are short circuited and in contact with the grounds. This type of fault occurs 15 to 25%. And the other one is what we call the three-phase symmetrical fault, when all of the lines connect with each other. Lines A, B, and C. So phase A, phase B, and phase C are connected or shorted. The currents here will be flowing, and if it is connected and then it just also the ground, we call this as three-phase to ground fault. This is also line to line faults, or line to ground faults. Okay, this is actually the worst type of fault, because if you'll notice here, a huge amount of electrical current is being considered here. And this type of fault occurs 2 to 5%. Actually, this occurs rarely. This type of fault is rare, but this is the worst type of fault. So these are the types of short circuit according to phases. Thank you.